Hello everyone, welcome to Arpita Sharma classes. So I am your educator Arpita Sharma and today we are going to do the PIB analysis, Press Information Bureau analysis of 27th October 2020. तो आज हम प्रेस इंफॉर्मेशन ब्यूरो के important current affairs को analyze करने वाले हैं and these current affairs are important from the perspective of both mains and prelims. Why mains? Because all these statistics, facts, figures which are uploaded by government on PIB, they are useful for all of you while quoting while writing answers and quoting in GS paper 3 and GS paper 2. So GS paper 3 में इकोनॉमी रिलेटेड या फिर इन्वायरमेंट रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस होते हैं, GS पेपर 2 में पॉलिटी रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस अगर होते हैं तो उस केस में हमें क्या करना होता है, फिगर्स और फैक्ट्स अगर हम स्टेट करें तो बोनस मार्क्स मिल जाते हैं, 1-2 नंबर हमें बोनस के मिल जाते हैं. तो वो आप कहाँ से कोट कर सकते हो? पीआईबी से. पीआईबी इज द ऑथेंटिक सोर्स, फ्रॉम देयर यू कैन गेट द करंट अफेयर्स, राइट? There are many coaching websites and many other websites, informal websites, where you can get the current affairs, but PIB is the authentic one. Okay, तो अलग अलग ministries की information data यहाँ पर upload किया जाता है. Now before starting today's analysis, here's a small announcement for all of you. If you are preparing for economy, right, so for the UPSC CSE 2020-21 as well as 2022 aspirants, here's a very wonderful news. As you all know, Mrunal Patel sir is India's top educator when it comes to economy. Since 2013 he has been teaching economy. 2013 से economy पढ़ा रहे हैं, उनकी best seller books भी market में available हैं. And he has been the top educator in the field of economy. So he has uploaded all his lectures for free on Unacademy Plus. अपने सभी economy के जो lectures हैं, topics हैं, वो free में इन्होंने Unacademy Plus पर upload कर दिए हैं. So you can access his free classes on Unacademy Plus. I am again stating free classes on Unacademy Plus with the resources and notes and material as well for all of you, and the link is given below in the description box. To access his courses you can click on the link given below in the description box. तो अपने कोर्सेज के लिंक भी इन्होंने दिए हुए हैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में, वो मैंने लिंक डाल दिया है. इनकी इकोनॉमी के बैचेस को आप एक्सेस कर सकते हो फ्री में. नाउ यू कैन प्रिपेयर योर इकोनॉमिक्स subject for free through Mrunal Patel sir, right? So you can go to the description box, you can click on the link and access his classes. Let's begin the PIB analysis. So these are the important topics that we are going to cover today. Ministry of Culture and Ministry of Defense. ये दो ministries के आज important topics आए हैं. First is black holes don't move around sucking in objects like a vacuum cleaner. Director IUCCA. So basically, unlike being portrayed in many science fiction movies, black holes doesn't move around sucking in objects like a vacuum cleaner. Now you must have watched some science fiction movies wherein you must have seen black holes sucking in the planets and everything around itself, right? तो ऐसा नहीं होता. In reality it is not possible. If the sun turns into a black hole today, it won't suck the other planets. The earth will still be revolving around the sun as if nothing has happened, but except the fact that on earth there will be no light, right? And earth will turn very cold, but still we will be revolving around the sun. तो ये एक इंफॉर्मेशन निकलकर सामने आई है फ्रॉम द डायरेक्टर ऑफ इंटर यूनिवर्सिटी सेंटर फॉर एस्ट्रोनॉमी एंड एस्ट्रोफिजिक्स विच इज इन पुणे. द डायरेक्टर सेज दैट ब्लैक होल्स विल नॉट सक अराउंड ऑब्जेक्ट्स इन इटसेल्फ. अगर आज सूर्य जो है वो ब्लैक होल में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है तो वो अर्थ को अपने अंदर नहीं ले लेगा. अर्थ तो वैसे यूजुअली जैसे रिवॉल्व करता है उसके आसपास, वैसे ही रिवॉल्व करता रहेगा. बस ये डिफरेंस होगा कि अर्थ पे सनशाइन और सनलाइट नहीं रहेगी. So, the black holes has been a very important topic when it comes to UPSC. Black holes के ऊपर बहुत questions आए हैं. So here also again a very unique research has been done on black holes. So we must study what black holes are. Black holes होते क्या हैं ये हमें पढ़ना जरूरी है. ठीक है, let's study what is black hole. So black hole is an object in space that is very dense. So dense that it has very strong gravity that no matter or light can escape. It is black and invisible. Okay, that is black holes. Now the question is that there were in some a few months back, that is I guess last year in April, there was a news that black holes were detected and we took a photograph of them, right? This was the news. पिछले ही साल अप्रैल में ये न्यूज आई थी कि ब्लैक होल्स जो होते हैं ना वो उनको डिटेक्ट करके हमने उसकी फोटोग्राफ ली थी. So the question is, if black holes are invisible, if it is black and invisible, how can we detect or photograph them? तो फिर हम इनकी फोटो कैसे ले सकते हैं, डिटेक्ट कैसे कर सकते हैं? by looking for the effects of their extreme gravity, right? If it is black and invisible, how can we picture them? How can we take a photograph of them? By looking for the effects of their extreme gravity, which pulls stars and gases towards them. Also, while anything past the event horizon is invisible, outside that boundary there is sometimes a spiral disk of gas. So, for example, this is the black hole. ये मान लो black hole है, and it is sucking in the gas. आसपास की जो gas है वो उसको suck कर रहे हैं. Because of that, there is a very thin line of light which envelops the black hole, and through that we can picture this black hole. इसी light की वजह से जो shine करती है, इसकी वजह से हमें ये black hole समझ आ पाता है. Scientists have also detected the gravitational waves which are generated when two black holes collide. Right? So the light surrounding the black hole, it helps us to take the picture of the black hole. And black hole has two basic parts. First is singularity and second is event horizon. These are the two basic parts of a black hole. Singularity is at the center, right? जहाँ पर mass reside कर. This is the black hole. This is over here is the singularity. Okay, and it was Stephen Hawking who wrote the first paper on singularities. And black holes are of three types: stellar mass black holes, mid-sized black holes, and supermassive black holes. Remember this for prelims. Clear? Now, another important point is जो इस साल के शायद prelims के 2020 के question paper में भी आया था. This was in this year's question paper also. Laser interferometer gravitational wave observatory. Right? So what is this? This organization has planned advanced gravitational wave observatory to be located in India as part of the worldwide network. ठीक है, तो ये क्या है? लेजर इंफेरोमीटर ग्रेविटेशनल वेव ऑब्जर्वेटरी. ये एक प्लान्ड एडवांस ग्रेविटेशनल वेव ऑब्जर्वेटरी है जो कि इंडिया में लोकेटेड होगी. ठीक है, एंड दिस लीगो इंडिया प्रोजेक्ट विल बी बिल्ट बाय, अंडरलाइन दिस, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ एटॉमिक एनर्जी एंड डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी, विच इज अंडर द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया. क्लियर? Now, three institutes leading this project in India are Inter-University Center for Astronomy and Astrophysics, which is in Pune, that is the IUCCA, Raja Ramana Center for Advanced Technology in Indore, and Institute of Plasma Research, which is in Ahmedabad. So you have to remember the location of these institutes also. They can give you the name of 3-4 institutes and the states where they are located, and then they will ask you to identify the correct match. आपको यूनिवर्सिटीज का नाम दे देंगे और स्टेट्स का नाम दे देंगे, फिर बोलेंगे करेक्टली मैच कौन सी, आइडेंटिफाई करो कौन सी जो आपकी यूनिवर्सिटी है वो करेक्टली मैच्ड है अपने स्टेट से. ठीक है, तो ये पॉइंट आपको याद रखना है. Now the next important topic, 74th Infantry Day celebrations on 27th October 2020. So the Chief of Staff General Bipin Rawat and Army Chief General Manoj Mukund Naravane, they paid tributes at the National War Memorial on the Infantry Day, which is celebrated on 27th October 2020. So it is observed as a remembrance of the first military event of independent India when Indian Army repelled the first attack on Indian soil इन द कश्मीर वैली. 1947 में कश्मीर वैली पे जो पहला अटैक हुआ था, राइट, हड़पने के लिए कश्मीर को, उस केस में जो पहली इंडियन आर्मी वहां पर भेजी गई थी, उस डे को उस डे को एज रिमेम्बरेंस ऑफ फर्स्ट मिलिट्री इवेंट के तौर पे सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है. दैट इज नोन एज इन्फेंट्री डे. द विक्ट्री वाज अकम्प्लिश्ड बाय द पर्सोनल ऑफ द फर्स्ट बटालियन ऑफ द सिख रेजिमेंट एज वेल. So it was on this momentous day in 1947 when princely state of Jammu and Kashmir was under attack of tribal raiders supported by troops of newly formed Pakistani army. Right? So over here, the first infantry contingent of Indian army was sent. To mark this day, to celebrate this gallant action by the infantry, October 27 is celebrated as the Infantry Day. So this is again important for your prelims. ये आपके prelims के लिए काफी important है, as well as for your interview. ये आपके interview के लिए भी काफी important है. Coming on to the next topic, Bangladesh government launched no mask, no service policy. A very wonderful initiative launched by Bangladesh government. It has decided that no service will be provided to people who don't wear a mask. So they can ask you in prelims, no mask, no service policy was launched by which country? ठीक है, they can give you the options. They can give you options like India, Nepal, right, Bhutan and Bangladesh. तो इसके अंदर से करेक्ट आंसर विल बी बांग्लादेश. करेक्ट आंसर क्या होगा? बांग्लादेश होगा. ठीक है, so Bangladesh government has decided to launch this no mask no service policy. So if you are not wearing mask, no service will be provided to you. Next important topic, Prime Minister Swanidhi scheme. Uttar Pradesh government has secured the first rank in central government's Prime Minister Atmanirbhar Nidhi scheme, that is Swanidhi scheme. It got the rank by approving the highest number of loans under the scheme in the country. State has ranked first in all categories, that is applications, sanctions, disbursements of loans under the scheme. Now the scheme was launched on June 1st 2020. ये स्कीम 2020 में जून 1 को लॉन्च की गई by central government to help the street vendors resume their livelihood activities that were impacted by COVID-19, under which working capital of rupees 10,000 at subsidized rate of interest, that is low rate of interest, will be given to the street vendors, okay, so that they can restart their shops, they can restart their activities. So in this particular scheme, Uttar Pradesh government has secured first rank. So this was all for today. I hope you enjoyed today's class. I hope आपको आज की class अच्छी लगी हो. You will get the PDF on my Telegram channel. Also, do not forget to access the free lectures provided by Mrunal Patel sir on Unacademy, which are, the link is given below in the description box. This will help you to ace your economics preparation. Thank you.